All right, let's look at the homework 3.2, problem number 1. All right, so let's find the derivative of g of x here. All right, so first, I don't like square root, so I'm going to rewrite it as x plus 9 times x to the, so square root is equivalent to 1/2 power. All right, then you have e to the x. Right, so since we have two things multiplied together, so this is our first guy, this is our second guy, I'm going to use the product rule to take the derivative. So we have g prime of x is equal to, right, so derivative of the first, so derivative of x is 1, right, derivative of 9x to the 1/2 power is going to be, so put 1/2 in front, so it's going to be 9 over 2. Then you have x to the, subtract 1 from the power, so it's a negative 1/2 power, right? Multiply by the second, which is e to the x, plus first guy, so just to copy that, x plus 9, x to the 1/2 power. Then you take the derivative of the second, but the derivative of e to the x is e to the x again, so you have e to the x. All right, so we can just clean it up a little bit here. So this is going to be, right, since we have e to the x in the first and the second term, both terms has the e to the x. So I'm going to pull out e to the x. So I'm going to just probably put e to the x here. All right, then just to collect the leftover terms, so you have, there's a 1 here, so it's going to be 1. All right, plus, and if you want to go back to the, cleaner notation, you can write it as a 9 sits on top and 2 is on the bottom. Right? Because of the negative power, it sits on the bottom. And then you have a 1/2 power, so that's a square root there. Right? And then plus, right, we have x, and we have a 9 square root of x. Right? Just to going back to the square root notation. Right? Let's type it in. All right, we got e to the x times quantity 1 plus 9 over 2 square root of x plus 9 square root of x. Right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.